My name is Holden Lowes. I'm a third-year biology student specializing in health sciences. My research focuses on the causes of heart failure readmissions in our community and how the changes during the COVID-19 pandemic to healthcare have impacted those changes. My research will provide insight into what the causes of heart failure readmissions are and why they're occurring, which will hopefully lead to a quality improvement initiative within our community, allowing people with heart failure to get the best and most appropriate care. Although I'm still in the midst of completing my research as an individual aspiring to practice medicine one day, this has been an amazing learning opportunity. It's allowed me to immerse myself among very intelligent and experienced supervisors, which has let me grow academically and professionally. If I could give one piece of advice to my fellow students, it would be to just get involved. I found that the people around Trent and in the community want to see us excel, and community-based research is so much different than learning in a classroom, and that it gives you a sort of sense of independence and achievement, which will allow you to also create connections with people in the community that may last a lifetime.